All ears, Unraveling English Idioms. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms. Idioms are phrases whose meanings aren't directly understood by the literal definition of the words. Our idiom for today is, all ears. So, let's get started. When you hear the phrase, all ears, you might picture someone with big ears or someone who has ears all over. But that's not what this phrase is about. In idioms, the literal meaning of words often differs from the idiomatic meaning. Literal meaning, having only ears or being completely made of ears. Idiomatic meaning, being fully attentive, ready, and eager to hear what someone has to say. Using all ears is quite simple. It's mostly used when someone wants to tell you they're listening attentively. Here are a few examples. 1. Tell me about your day. I'm all ears. 2. If you have any suggestions, I'm all ears. 3. Now that the meeting is over, I'm all ears for any questions. The idiom's exact origins aren't clear, but it's believed to date back to ancient times. The phrase conveys the idea that if someone is all ears, all their attention is focused on listening, as if all other senses are temporarily turned off. Understanding where phrases come from can make them even more interesting. And there you have it. Now, the next time someone tells you they're all ears, you'll know they're not talking about their physical appearance but rather their eagerness to listen. Hope this video was enlightening. Remember, the English language is full of fascinating idioms that make it rich and colorful. Stay curious and keep learning.